And as you can see from the title of this video, I managed to crash my drone at Cayton Bay. Okay, so I'm going to just show some of the footage we took. It wasn't a really good day. I was on my own. Sarah didn't come with me. She's the one that usually spots for me. Unless she's flying, then I'll spot for her. I was positioned at the top of the cliff at Cayton Bay, so most of the flying was done below me. You can see that the light wasn't very good, but fairly good view of the drone at most times. I'm just doing some standard shots, not just basic B-roll really. I wasn't expecting to get anything good because the weather wasn't going to be good. It just stopped raining, but I was up there anyway. I'd literally got out of the car, told Sarah I was going to be coming back in about half an hour. That didn't quite prove to be the case because, as you'll see later, I did crash the drone, and then I couldn't find the drone. I stayed out there for about 6 hours looking for this little drone. Couldn't find it. Ended up going home, leaving it overnight, and then setting off early the next day. Now I live. Oh, there we go. That's it. Now I live about 2 hours away from Cayton, so it's a bit of a trek. But here's my top tip: don't lose visual sight of your drone, otherwise this happens. And we've got some slow-mo, and the only reason I found the drone is because of literally that last shot. The tree on the right was really distinctive, so I managed to fight my way through the gorse and actually get it back, and it's fine, absolutely fine. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.